मुरगांव वास्को एमपीटीच्या कोल हँडलिंगाचो विस्तार नाका म्हणून वास्कोकार एक जाल्यात। एमपीटीच्या ऑफिसरांक स्टेजीर बसून लोकांक जाप दिवंक लायिल्ले, पूण एमपीटीची एकूय जाप वास्कोकारांक मानवली ना।
You have left out the airport.
How much you paid for
Today,
MPT job?
you all say in general, Coast Guard, Navy, Defence Organization having their office within 3 kilometers. Office?
MPT should be shut
It's not
down.
office.
And they should be punished. The chairman.
The installations,
be punished.
assets are there. It's not just one administrative office.
अरे पैसे घेऊन जॉय मेवला ते काय काम आहे ते का?
However, there will not be any adverse impact.
एक कोणी काट केली?
Okay then, go to point 9.
एमपीटीचो चेअरमॅन डेप्युटी चेअरमॅन सुनावणेचे सुवातेर जाय म्हूण आदलो आमदार जुजे फिलिपान मुद्दो काढलो।
Has to be sit there over. Until the chairman has to be here. Chairman has to be here.
Telling lies to public.
Why the chairman is not come here? Why the chairman fine? Why deputy chairman is not come?
Chief engineer.
You give a proper answer to the people of Vasco here.
Chief engineer.
अरे बाबा तुमका पगार मेळटा तो बॉस पाक हमका मेळना आम्हाला
You should advise them. Advise them because you are a chairman. You tell them because
ट्रॅव्हलिंग अलाउड सुद्धा असेल तुमका
you also need a proper answer. Yes or no? Correct? No. They should answer properly. Give the record properly. Just something else is there. It is like a paste copy here.
We can wait for the.
This looks like a paste copy.
3 दिसांपुरती आशिल्ली जनसुनावणी 4थ्या दिसाचेर पावली। शेनवारा सकाळी सांजे दिसभर चलपाची आसा। परिस्थिती पळयत जाल्यार धड कितें निष्पन्न जायत म्हूण शाश्वती सध्या तरी दिसना। प्रुडंटा खातीर दिशान परब।